What's going on, guys? It's Lou Ballz. It's been a while, right? Alright, so now that I'm officially awake, I'm going to go ahead and do the intro to this video. It's a surprise, definitely a surprise. My birthday is in a couple of days. My wife decided to surprise me, and she's been trying to give me hints, but then she reneges on the hints and she tries to sway me with something else. So I was definitely expecting something completely different. She always goes all out when it comes to my birthday or anything special, Christmas. It's all ridiculous. She doesn't do anything half-assed. But with that being said, let me go ahead and roll this, and then I'll do the outro and stuff later. Good morning. Just got woken up. Tomorrow's my... What? I'm barely awake right now. But I got a surprise from my beautiful wife over here. She's been so excited. She's been about to explode because she doesn't want to tell me what it is, but she does want to tell me what it is. But apparently, I have an unboxing to do. So let's see what the hell's going on here. She doesn't want me to read it. She doesn't want me to look at it. She wants me to open it. So. I don't know where the hell my razor blade is. Or a pair of decent scissors. Who's it from?
Can you touch the
Oh, baby. I'm not taking my time in trying to open this thing without. The worst. Get some more action over here without my face. Ooh. No information. No. What do we have in here? Alright. Well, I know it's an animal, and I know it's a snake. Because it's in a snake bag. You got a few things to say about the packaging, but I'm not gonna look a gift horse in the mouth. I'm just gonna make sure whatever I have is taken care of properly. I don't want to cook with that, but I like packaging. No homo. It's like triple, quadruple, super tied. Yo, if it's a ball of newspaper, I'm punching someone. I see a little snout. Oh my god, what are you? I don't know what it is, but that thing's dark. You better not bite me. Okay, you're back in retreat mode. Don't bite me. Oh my god. I'm supposed to guess? What the hell is this? There's GHI in here.
Mm-hmm.
It's not Mojave.
Mm-hmm.
It's cinnamon or black pastel? Oh crap.
GHI black pastel. Pass head example.
You're cold, little buddy. I gotta get you warmed up. But the weather out here, it's Florida. It's a female? Alright, check it out, guys. I don't know if the light is catching this right now. She looks like she wants to light me up ASAP, so I'm gonna boot the snoot. No, the light catches it here. But this is a GHI black pastel female. Possible head what?
Xanthic.
Possible head exanthic. That's gonna look super freaking cool. It's a little baby girl. How much do you weigh? What about 200, like a 250, maybe? Yeah, 250 grams, 260, something like that. Look at this thing. He's super pretty. Super dark, yeah. Super dark. I think she might have just had a shed or something. That's so cool. She's really nice looking. I wasn't really into the dark stuff yet. Well, I wasn't ready for the dark stuff yet, but that black pastel and GHI actually look like they work really nice together. Say hello to the world, little girly. Babe, you're freaking awesome. I love you. She's the fucking best, I swear. And no, I'm not gonna edit that out. Holy crap, look how the pattern stripes up around the neck over here. It's hard to see it that way. Super nice. Yeah. Yeah, we'll take pictures. I'll post it up in the video or something. I was gonna do a live, but I only have mobile phone and I'm not really sure I have the capability of doing live. So now I'm curious who this is from. No, I kind of... Huh? Okay. Yeah, now I'm curious who this is from. I don't know who it is, but I'll figure it out and I'll post it and I'll give you a shout out or whatever. But, alright. Apparently, I have another box over there that's like twice... Yeah, like twice the size. And that one has holes in it, so I'm pretty sure there's animals in that thing too. So let me go ahead and put this little girl back in here real quick. And then I will set them up and set her up in the hatchling rack for quarantine. And then we'll do the once over and the diagnostics. And I'll check her over real good to make sure that she's okay. And I'll keep an eye on her for the next couple months. Yeah, next month, a couple weeks at least. And as long as she's eating and pooping, we're good to go. And it's not a DOA, so you don't have to call anybody right now. So that's freaking awesome. And I'm half asleep. Kinda. I'm half asleep. So, while we're here, this is all in preparation for my birthday. My birthday is Saturday. I don't even know. I don't even pay attention to that crap anymore. My birthday is Saturday, May 16th. Today is Thursday, May 14th.
Yeah, it's 2 days.
She made me take off of work because she's got a bunch of plans and stuff, but this is like phase 1 of the birthday thing. She doesn't ever do anything like happy birthday or congratulations. She's like overboard and then does a backflip and then there's more. So I'll be right back.
Don't look.
All right, I'm not allowed to look. I'm not allowed to look. Look at this thing. Look. Just want to let you know the size of this box. and the size of this box. You can see the difference.
Hey, don't judge
Three
a
times
box
the
by
size.
its size.
I know there's probably something super tiny in this giant box. I get it. I'm not allowed to look, so I can't even tell you where these are coming from or what they are, or she just doesn't want me to know. So, give me a second. Let me open this freaking box. I'm glad I didn't do this live. No preparation, and I can't shout. Oh, no freaking way. Yo. First things first. First things first. She pays attention to the tiniest details. Okay? That's just to tell you what's going on right now. Alright? Not only that, I got a big fat, that's like a car sticker. I'm dumping this on. I don't even want to put it on my car, so I don't know if I'm going to keep it. Anyway. I want to sneeze, but I don't want to. Cool little band. Yo, these are pretty cool. The lanyard for the keys. That's cool. That's cool. So I got all kinds of nerd. If anybody here is watching this into reptiles and you don't know who Nerd is, New England Reptile Distributors, Kevin McCurley, get informed. He's like the evil genius of the reptile industry. If you don't know who it is, stop everything you're doing, forget everything you thought you knew, and start doing some research and start listening to podcasts with this dude. This guy's a freaking legend. All right? I'm not going to go into detail, but yeah, just nerd. Just check this out. Huh? That is so dope. So dope, baby.
I know, I'm so excited.
Did you know?
Yes.
This is so gangster.
Once I told them it was for your birthday, they were like, "Oh, we got you. We'll hook it up."
You serious?
I swear.
Who'd you talk to? You know? Donnie? Rob?
Yep.
Shout out to Nerd. Everybody at Nerd. Shout out to Rob. I don't know exactly who packaged it, but my wife talked to Rob, so. Yo. All hail the evil morph god. Oh, there's letters and stuff. Is this like... Oops.
What? What is it? Did it tell you? Did it tell you what it is?
Yeah, it told me exactly what it is.
Are you excited about it?
I don't know what it looks like. I wish I wouldn't have looked at it.
Piece of crap.
Only because I would like to be a little bit more surprised. But the box itself is a freaking surprise. Yo. Alright, let's get this back in here. Let's get this back in here. This is the start of the show. Yo, heat pack is off on point. That shit is super hot. But that's good because the weather's been a little bit in and out in Florida. Let me make sure this.
I got you. What side should be?
Alright, so I don't know what happened, but for some reason it stopped. But, like I said, I kind of wish I wouldn't have seen it, but it's awesome. Check this out. Let me get this little girl, female. I'm telling you, she pays attention to the tiniest details. She knows I'm male, female, even right now due to the last holdback. I think I'm over one female because of the last pickup, which I will do a little video on, but I'm getting her settled in. Holy crap, that's gorgeous. But yeah, so 2 more females added to the collection. Get them grown up. Give me a couple years to work out the next couple projects before I even have to worry about what's going on here, because holy crap. All right, so I'm just gonna show. I'm not even gonna tell you what it is until. This is so cool. Don't bite me. Yo, I wish you could see the colors on this thing like I can, because it's not even close. I'm looking at the camera right now, and that lighting is no, because that flashlight's just gonna wash it out even more. This thing is freaking gorgeous.
What is it?
Like I said, it's a little girl. It's a calico genetic stripe. What is it?
Paz head exanthic.
Paz head exanthic? Alright, we can try that. See what happens. Oh my god. Look at the gorgeousness on this thing.
Oranges, whites.
Oh my god, it's so beautiful.
Black.
Yo, the little,
look at that belly.
the whites and the oranges coming off of the belly are ridiculous. You can't even see this. Nothing but flames, it looks like. And the genetic stripe is such a cool hello. Look at that, just straight striped all the way down. This thing is freaking gorgeous. Yo, I'm so excited. It's so cool. Not sure if I said this before, or not sure if it got cut out. Shout out to everybody at Nerd. You guys are awesome. And I told her one time, if there's anybody I look up to in this industry, yeah, trying to get out. If there's anybody I look up into this industry, it's freaking Kevin McCurley. But I know a lot of you guys at the facility are the ones handling his stuff, but that guy's a freaking genius. Absolutely. And if he didn't know what he was doing, he wouldn't have you guys working there. Shout out to everybody there. Thank you very, very much. These things are ridiculously amazing. And it came just in time because I just finished that hatchling rack. That's so perfect. I'm freaking blown away. And this is like phase 1.
There's not as many phases, so that like.
I told you to chill out. I hope not. I hope this is it. Because I don't know if I can handle it anymore.
Well, this is a wink.
There you go. Oh yeah, so whatever's not in the video, unless you guys want to watch. But. So they're both Paz head genetics, Paz head exanthic. Do you know which line?
I know
TSK
one,
or VPI? Because I can't rock them.
VPI one.
Both of them?
I'm not sure about. I'm not sure. Because I know he has his own line of exanthic too. So I'm not sure.
We'll figure it out. I'll get some information and I'll figure it out. And that's just strictly for breeding purposes later on in the future. But I'm not going to be worried about that anytime soon. It's just for my record keeping and stuff.
Exactly.
But she is freaking gorgeous. Holy Jesus. So cool. So cool. Let me get these guys set up. I have one more. You want me to do that one on video too? No? Okay, I have one more, but I'm not going to do that on video because she said no. Alright. Thank you guys. I don't know what else I got for this, but I'll edit it into it. So. Alright, so as you can see, definitely super excited about what's going on. I don't really show it. It literally just registered while we was out doing stuff. I do have them set up in a good little quarantine in a hatchling rack that I just built. I'm not using at the moment. So there is another little a little girl in that hatchling rack also with them in the quarantine. I'll do something separate for her later. I just want to make sure she's situated. I got her from a different situation. But wasn't that awesome? Freaking awesome. I just want to give a shout out to Mark Petros, which is who I got the Black Pastel GHI from, or who she got it from. It is Possible Het. for Xanthic. I believe it's a VPI line. Big shout out to Nerd. Like I said, I'm pretty sure you guys saw my excitement when it was the Nerd, animal. Shout out to everybody at Nerd. You guys are amazing. I've been watching you guys over the years. It's just completely exciting to me to have both of those animals in my collection. So, completely big shout out to my beautiful wife. She's awesome. Like I said, she never does anything half-assed. She always completely blows everything out the water when it comes to surprises, birthdays, special occasions, whatever the case may be. But baby, I love you. You are amazing. That's all I got for this. I should have some more content coming, so if you enjoyed this, like, if you're not already, subscribe. You can hit the notification bell if you want. I'm not going to have regular content, but I will explain where I've been and what's been going on for the past 6 months in another video. I just don't want to make this one too long. But I want to thank you guys for watching. I'm super excited, and it still hasn't even registered what happened, so I'm going to take a little bit of time to enjoy this. That was awesome. See you guys soon. Holla.